Hi, welcome back to ML Shorts. Today we will have short introduction of NumPy library. So the first thing, we import NumPy library and then we will create a list called mylist. Now we would like to see if it is a list or not, so we use type command to check. And in the final step we want to change our list to array. So simple, np.array inside bracket is mylist. And finally your list will be converted into a NumPy array. If we want to compute the mean of our array, then press mylist dot then tab. If you press tab, you will have multiple options. If you scroll down, you will find out mean. Press mean, enter. Now we want to know where is the highest and lowest value of the array. For that we have to use argmax and argmin, just like the way I am using here. In neural networks, sometimes we have to convert matrices into 1D array. For that purpose we use flatten, just like the way I am doing here. Sometimes your array is too big, so you need to check the shape. You can check the shape of an array just by using shape command. Now let's generate array using NumPy. Generating array using NumPy is quite easy. Just write np.arange 0, 20 and here is your array. We can also make array of zeros. It means all the components of this array are 0. So let's write np.zeros and number of zeros you want. Here it is 20. We can also make 2D arrays. We just have to specify the dimension. Here we have specified 5, 5. Just by writing np.ones, we can make array of ones. We can perform multiple arithmetic operations on array. We can add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Okay, let's make a list 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if we multiply it, we'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 12 times. So it's not multiplying, it's just repeating itself. Now let's make a list again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and let's try to add something on it. Oh no, we get an error. So we can't add a number to a list. Suppose we want to generate 56 numbers between 1 to 24. Then we can use line space. np.linespace 1 to 24 and 56 is the desired numbers. We can also check the length, it's 56. Using np.eye you can generate identity matrix. Just like array, you can perform arithmetic operations on it. That's all for today. For your practice, I have attached the Kaggle notebooks in the link that can give you more insight view of NumPy arrays. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions, please comment. I'll try to improve accordingly. Thank you very much. See you soon.